Today we're going to be changing out the front fenders and inner fenders on our Jeep Rubicon in order to run larger rims and tires. Right, here we go. Here we go. And that's this fender off. But there's two holes got to be drilled. One is right here. We'll mark. And the other is right here, which I will mark too. Alright, now take it back off, drill my two holes, and be able to install it for good. Okay, right here is the first hole I got to drill, so here we go. Alright, there's that one. Now I just got to drill the other one. Alright, we're fixing to install the inner fender for the final time. Hopefully everything goes right. Come with these little butt head bolts for hardware. And I'm using get it in here. That's right. Get one started. Getting this one started. I'll run them all up and we'll show you what it looks like. So here we go. Alright, we're running them up now. We've got about halfway done. Once you get it hung, get the bolt put in. It's just a matter of tightening the bolts up. This is a fairly straightforward install. It's special on the front. Now the back, I think there's going to be some tricks to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Appears to be 7 plugs you got to pull out. Let's see what we get. Well, I think that's all of them. I'll just rip it off. There's that. To install the rear fenders, you have to install 8 of these rib nuts. It comes with a rib nut tool. This little rib nut tool. It's a basic tool and it'll work fine for this. But I have this rib nut tool kit I bought several years ago. That's what I'm going to use to install mine. First thing I do is got to drill these holes out to this size. So that's what we're fixing to do. There's one. Okay, that's all 8 of them drilled out. Now to get my tool and pop them in. Alright, to use this tool, you spread it out. You thread your insert in. Alright. You come over here to your hole. I'll use this one. Just stick it firmly into your hole. Squeeze it. You unscrew it. And there it is installed. Now I just got to do that 7 more times and we can put the fender on. Alright, got all the rib nuts in. It's time to install the fenders, so let's see what happens. I've got a couple clamps I'm going to use to clamp it in place temporarily when I get it my bolt started, hopefully. There's that one. After we've installed these 8 bolts in the nut certs, there's 2 top bolts here that get nuts. So, run them up. That one. Right, and that's that one. Now it's on left to put the tire on. This completes the install of the rear. Puts us one more step to our goal. Like and subscribe and follow for more.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.